What's the meaning of breech? Breech. Breech.
Breech. Breech. The term breech refers to the lower part of the human torso, specifically the area between the base of the spine and the thighs. When used in the context of childbirth, a baby is considered to be in a breech position if its buttocks or feet are facing downwards toward the birth canal instead of its head. This can lead to complications during delivery, and may require special techniques or procedures to ensure a safe birth. In general, it is considered safer for a baby to be in a head-down position before delivery, as this allows for a smoother and easier passage through the birth canal.